Hi, my name's Mark Tilling and today I'm going to show you how to make chocolate and hazelnut macaroons using this planetary mixer by Electrolux. You will need soft butter, dark chocolate, vanilla, caster sugar, eggs, cocoa powder, hazelnuts, icing sugar, egg whites, water, caster sugar. Okay, so first we're going to whip some egg whites with a small amount of sugar. So here I have my ground hazelnuts, icing sugar and cocoa powder. So I'm going to add some egg whites. Okay, so we have a nice, thick, chocolatey hazelnut paste. Okay, so now my sugar is up to 118 degrees, so sugar and water. I can pour this straight into the mixer. So as you can see, it's really easy to add the ingredients and you don't get all the ingredients down the outside of the bowl. Okay, so now our meringue is at a stiff peak. We can add this to our hazelnut. So gently mix the two together. So I tend to pick it up and let it drop. So as you can see, I've placed the mix into a piping bag with a 5mm nozzle. Now we're going to pipe onto this silicone mat. So now the macaroons are dry to the touch, we can place them in an oven at 140 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes. So now we're going to start with the chocolate filling for our macaroons. I've got egg whites and sugar in my bowl here, and then we're going to put it straight onto the machine. Okay, so now our meringue is whipped for our filling. We can now start adding the butter. So the mixer is created to obviously stop the mix from sticking to the sides of the bowl. And then we're going to add our melted chocolate. So now just emulsify your chocolate into the butter. And there we go, we have a lovely chocolate buttercream. And now we're ready to fill our macaroons. So peel from the mat, pipe in the mix with another macaroon on the top. And to finish off the top of the macaroons, I have a little bit of gold shimmery dust. So here we are, chocolate and hazelnut macaroons with a chocolate buttercream filling.